Welcome to ClearTask. In this video, I will show you how to set 1-inch margins in your Google Docs document. This is a standard requirement for professional formatting, academic papers, and official reports. Open your Google Docs document and navigate to the top menu bar. Click on File and scroll down the drop-down menu to select Page Setup. A new dialog box will appear on your screen. Make sure you are viewing the Pages tab at the top of this box, as margins cannot be adjusted if your document is in the pageless view. Look for the section labeled Margins, where you will find 4 input boxes for top, bottom, left, and right. Change the value in each of these boxes to 1. If your Google Docs account is set to the metric system, you will need to enter 2.54 in each box, as 2.54 centimeters is exactly equal to 1 inch. Before closing the menu, you can also verify your paper size or change the page orientation from portrait to landscape if your project requires it. If you want every new document you create to use these exact margins, click the Set as Default button. Once your values are entered, click the OK button at the bottom right of the dialog box. Your document will immediately update to reflect the new 1-inch margins across all pages. That is how you configure standard margins in Google Docs. Thank you for watching ClearTask. Subscribe for more direct software solutions and technical guides.